Model, 2011 Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC 27002.0 CDTI spares OR repairs noisy engine. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 114653. MOT, 30 November 2024. Engine, 1995 CCM9R. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £2,795. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on